391 Engine 1, high-rise drill, 100 Capitol Mall, Emmett.
Firefighters need two essential things to respond to fires in big buildings and rescue the people inside: air and water. Without water, firefighters can't extinguish the blaze. Without air, firefighters won't survive in the toxic, smoky environment. Water is provided by a water standpipe. These are required in all big buildings. Air is provided by an air standpipe, a firefighter air replenishment system, also called FARS, which allows firefighters to refill their air bottles inside a building. Getting air to upper floors in an emergency is extremely challenging. Without FARS, it can only be done by hand-carrying bottles up the stairs or in elevators. Either way, it is a slow and difficult process. Some developers argue they shouldn't be required to install FARS because a fire service elevator can do the job of air delivery. They are dead wrong. An elevator is not an effective air delivery system. Elevators, when operational, are good for moving people and can be used to move limited amounts of heavy equipment and air bottles, but they are very slow and prone to stalling during a fire. Fire departments only allow fire service elevators to go as high as 2 floors below a fire floor. That means if the fire started on floor 10, the elevator must stop at floor 8. All the floors above that will need air carried up the stairs by firefighters wearing 100 pounds of equipment. And air bottles last only 15 to 25 minutes, so crews will need a lot of them. Of course, if they have FARS, they have air available on every 3rd floor all the way to the roof, immediately. Carrying air bottles upstairs makes as much sense as carrying buckets of water. Long ago, the water standpipe replaced hauling buckets. The air standpipe replaces hauling air bottles. Buildings are getting taller, cities are getting denser, developers are getting richer. But fire department budgets are not getting bigger. FARS makes firefighting safer without impacting city budgets. To fight fires in big buildings, firefighters need air and water. Firefighters and the citizens they protect need FARS.